What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can switch back to classic Facebook page. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you need to log into your Facebook page. Okay, now as you can see here, guys, I'm going to click on my profile in the top right, and yeah, next thing you need to do is you want to click on see all profiles. As you can see all profiles, and you want to select the page that you want to switch to classic. Okay, now I would select this page. Okay, now after you select the page, guys, you need to open the page. As you can see, this is my page. It's called Anything Really. And to switch to classic Facebook page, what you need to do, guys, is you want to click on these three little dots, as you can see, and you need to find here switch to classic. If you can do that, okay, most people you won't be able to find switch to classic. That's why I'm going to be showing you other methods that will work for everyone. Okay, now if you can find here, like I said, switch to Facebook, like to switch to classic, then click it. If you can't find it, then there is a better solution. You want to click on your profile in the top right, and you want to click on help and support. Okay, the third option, click on report a problem, and then click help us improve Facebook. Click on include in report, and here choose an area. This is very important. You need to go with pages. Okay, you need to select pages. Okay, and where it says details, you need to type here I would like to switch to Facebook okay, to Facebook classic page. Now you don't have to type the same thing. You would just say something like I would like to have Facebook, I would like to have a classic Facebook page. Okay, classic Facebook page. Okay, that's it. You just want to you just want to like say something that have classic Facebook page. Okay, in the sentence you need to state that you need to go, like you want to go back to classic Facebook page. Okay, so after that you need to click on submit, and within like a few hours, some people it takes them 3 hours, other people it takes them 24 hours. Okay, so you need to be patient, guys, and come back to this video and let me know in the comments if it works. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.